Lovely couple Rain and Kim Tae Hee are strengthening their love once again. Kim Tae Hee, who is filming for her new upcoming drama, Lies Hidden in My Garden, showed her gratefulness to her husband Rain. Rain sent coffee trucks on the set of the drama to support his wife and the crew members of the upcoming drama. The beautiful actress took series of pictures in front of the coffee truck. Kim Tae Hee could be seen holding some of the coffee. The actress was also pictured looking at the coffee truck in some of the pictures. Rain put some beautiful pictures of Kim Tae Hee on the coffee truck. Kim Tae Hee and Rain have been married for years and have children, but they keep a very low profile about their children and married life, despite having social media accounts. Kim Tae Hee's new drama will be released in June of this year, which is next month. We can't wait to see Kim Tae Hee's new drama. Thanks for watching.